Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Friday, the Power Hour, 1 hour to go, and the week is all over. In a week, we've seen Fisker potentially collapse. We've seen a lot of stocks go sideways, a lot of fear in the market, preparing for the FOMC report on Wednesday. Of course, we'll be there live. We've had hailstones 3 inches big that can come through your roof. We had a tornado. Oh, Danny Beck.
Danny Beck has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed. Look at that, another new member. Wonderful stuff. All sorts of stuff's gone on this week, but we're still here. We've survived, and we now go into the weekend, and I've started to upgrade the studio once again for a more improved version of the 24-hour stream. You've been watching that. That's been growing. We launched this service just, 2-3 weeks ago, and we're at like 1,500 subscribers already, nearly 2,500 watch hours. Incredible. You're using it a lot. We're very, very proud of that. So we're really quite exciting how that's grown, and that's about to get a lot better. But this is just the beginning. There's so many things I want to do as the channel grows. So there we go. Right. Exciting times indeed. All right, now then, let's have a look at our positions and see where we are. Of course, it's Friday night, which means music night. We've got a party coming up tonight. In just 2 hours from now, every Friday night, we like to have a beer, a drink, a laugh, some fun, celebrate, commiserate, whatever it is you need. This is our live concert. Every Friday night we do this. Hopefully you'll join me for that tonight. It should be a lot of fun. I'm the World Piano Man, and I'll be doing a live concert on my music channel tonight, which is behind me, ready to rock and roll. And I hope you can join me for that. In the meantime, let me come into the chat and see who's here. Danny Back. Let's see if Danny Back is in the chat. He's just become a member. I don't know if he's here. No, he's not. We've got a new guest, JR. JR is here. Let's say hello to JR today. JR, how are you? Oops, a daisy. JR, where are you from? How are you? And where are you from? Lovely to have you here. If you're from a country that we don't have a flag for, we can fly the flag for you. Right. ENVB, LICY. There's some movement here. Stocks, VLD, LICY, and MU. Before it's too late, says Vincent Vosberg. Tilray up today. Apparently, Kamala Harris called for the DEA to reschedule MJ as soon as possible. Okay, that's good news for Tilray investors, no doubt. Oh yes, and look at that. We can see. Look at this. We've got a big jump here. MSK, can you put that in? We've got MSK. Can you put that in the Discord right now? That's a very, very good news for Tilray today. Let me get this up. This is good news for Tilray today. TLRY. Let me bring it up. This is good news, and I'm going to be able to rank for this very, very quickly, as we already do. And it's moving. It's a big one. Okay. Here we go. Let's have a look. Let me see if I can find it. Have I got any links for YouTube already? No, I don't. Stock news. MSK. Yes. All right. It's a marijuana moment. Yes, indeed. What have we got? Come on, House tells us to read it. Right. Okay. What else? 7 hours ago, support for Justin.
3D ticker, VLD review when you get a chance. Thanks.
Wow, look at this. 2 reviews just come flying in. Flipping heck. We really are onto a busy afternoon. Hang on a minute then. Let me have a look at this first of all. Right. This is a big deal. I have to say. We like this. If you are a Tilray investor, you're going to like this. So let's get straight to it. Normally I say rubbish, but now, wow, we have got a big deal here breaking out now. So let's have a look. This is TLRY, and we are 7 mins. All right, here we go. Another one.
VLD review as well.
2 reviews coming in. Okay, everyone tap the likes on the review, on the super chats if you can. That's always great. Thank you so much to support the channel. Thank you very much indeed. I'm getting going to redo my chair this weekend. Anyway, enough of that. Let me get straight on to what's important right now is this. So here we go. Right, let's turn the studio green. Let's turn the studio green, 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 green. It's a big one. It's important. And we need this. We need this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray Brands, ticker symbol TLRY. We've got some big price movement here, and this is looking good. Now, we have seen this before with Tilray. We have seen this before with cannabis sector, but this is what we've been waiting for. For all of you that are investing with Tilray, you have been waiting for this news. What is it? Tap the like button. This video will go massive. I think so. All right, so big news, and subscribe and ring the bell. However, it could be simply a trading position, but it is moving very, very quickly. This is why, and this is how you can turn on your money printer this afternoon. Are you ready to stack the money up and make some money? Well, we think you can right now because we've got some news in the cannabis sector. And what is it? It's Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris has been turning on the money printer. This is it. Vice President Kamala Harris tells DEA to reschedule marijuana as quickly as possible at White House meeting with pardon recipients. This has just happened. This is very, very big news for Tilray. Now, I just want to put a cautionary note out here. We've seen this before. The stock pops on the news. This has just come out. It might be, all over in minutes. We've seen it. However, you might like this because we've always said that Tilray has a $40 value. I've always said it can go to $40, and I strongly believe that. I think this stock can make you $40. Very, very exciting. So you can make some money from this stock once we get full legalization. But let's talk about it right now. It's still running 8.75. This is still a good buy. If it starts to move, this news has just broken. We can get, and we've seen in the past, a 20 or 30% bounce on this kind of news. So it is a buy net right now. If you like this stock and you think the news can run, here it is. Vice President Kamala Harris says the Drug Enforcement Administrative, DEA, must reschedule marijuana as quickly as possible, calling it absurd and patently unfair that cannabis is still classified in the same category as heroin. At the beginning of a meeting at the White House with a group of people who received marijuana pardons under the president's proclamations, Harris delivered a statement promoting both the administration's clemency actions and its marijuana scheduling directive that led the U.S. Department of Human Service, HHS, to recommend the DA reschedule cannabis under the Controlled Substances Act. Now, what this will mean, and you can already see, look, people are taking profits. This could be a very, very quick moment, but there's potential for a 30% rally here. There really, really is. As we talk about it, my video will trend, and this will do very well, I think, for those who invest in cannabis. Tilray is probably the leader in this sector, but what this means is if we can get this classification through, it means the whole structure of the way Tilray can advertise, can make money, and all the rest of it goes through the roof. And it makes a huge, huge difference. It's the only thing really holding back Tilray. Now, recently they've restructured their business while all this was, being put on hold and waited for. And I didn't like it. I've been very uncomplimentary, if you like, about Erwin Simon's strategy. However, it's gone sideways for a while. It's brought the stock price down, waiting for a moment like this. Now, it has gone up 8% since the news, only a few moments ago, but honestly, it could go up to 30% from here. You might like it at this level. Let me give you some numbers. Let me give you some numbers now. If you are thinking, okay, is it undervalued? Well, let's have a look at it. With some good news, let's have a look how undervalued it is. This is really, really important. Here we go. Let's go into the numbers. Tap a like on this. And again, subscribe to the channel for this breaking news price movement. Here we go. Let's look at this right now. What we've got is an undervaluation at the moment of 38%. I've always said a 25% overvaluation is affordable on a high growth stock. This is, and on big news like this, if it passes, oh my God, you've got a $40 stock, in my opinion. It's 38% undervalued at the moment. Okay, that's the base case. The best case is a 54% valuation. Can we rely on it? Yes, that valuation is accurate. No warnings here. If we move down, you can see revenue is moving up, 8% up on the most recent range, and we are expecting things to carry on going. Not an S-curve, mind you, because we don't have full legalization priced in. Erwin Simon has said on the earnings report, it's not priced in. They are ready for it and they are ready to act. So this could suddenly turn upward. It can literally go parabolic once that happens, okay? We've got operating income up 2%. We've got net income up 1%, all without all of this, okay? Let's move on down. Look at the debt position. 4.3 billion in assets, of which 259 million is cash, and we have 962 short-term debt, long-term debt 348. So 348 million, if we look at that, long-term debt is 36% of its liabilities, but we have 4.3 billion and 259 in cash. So as you can see, doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out that we could virtually pay off all our debts with our cash. So the balance sheet is pretty good for Tilray Brands. If we scroll down at the moment, as I said there, profitability isn't great at the moment because we're waiting for this news. This could be the beginning of the news, and that's when we want it, of course, the beginning. Solvency, they're not going bust anytime soon, 55%. But of course, if money comes rolling in, down goes the debts and the solvency goes sky high. Great, 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 great. If we look at the worst case scenario, the lowest level, 18% is the upside, 55% is the upside for the average, and 174% is the upside on the best case scenario. But that wasn't pricing in legislation this year. You can add a 0 to these numbers if we get legislation. Very, very nice indeed. Competition, go and check it out. Insiders are buying. Insiders are buying. When was this? When was this? This was, come on, give me the number. Give me the number. Why aren't you giving me the number? Give me the number. During the last 12 months, Tilray Brands have bought 183,000 and not sold. The last transaction was January 17th, a couple of months ago, from the Chief Strategy Officer. Okay, just a couple of months ago, we've got a nice buy-in. So obviously, they know something. Okay, that's good to see. Short interest. Well, there is a 16% short interest. It's quite high, not enough for a short squeeze, but volume would explode on this stock if we get that passed. Okay, 1 week ago, cannabis off to a great start. Let's listen into this latest story only a few days ago, so it's quite relevant. Here we go.
Of these pot stocks and a more favorable outlook from Americans. Joining me right now, Morgan Paxia is with us, co-founder, managing director of Poseidon Investment Management, and Matt Hawkins, founder, managing partner, Entourage Effect Capital. Thank you so much both for being with me. We did get in some of these earnings. Paxia, what are your thoughts?
Just
here?
trimming, as I said it would.
There's been a push to President Biden to lessen where marijuana really stands so that it is brought down a notch, right? And a little less of a federal offense in some ways. Tell me about your thoughts. What stands out to you with what we've been seeing from
She clearly doesn't understand what that means.
Yep. So we're just into the year-end updates coming up from companies. We've had 3 report: Green Thumb Industries, Verano Holdings, and TrueLeave. So far, it's been pretty good. We thought going into this that it could have been a bit of a what we call a U-Pod setup, under promise, over deliver, and that seems to be the case so far. For these larger companies, they're proving that they can. They're able to grow and survive even in the face of this absurd 280E tax code that continues to plague the industry. Outside of the recent development that TrueLeave announced, which warrants more exploration, but in the meantime,
that's really enough. They're not saying anything great. Let me hear quickly from CEO Erwin Simon.
Good morning. I was a little surprised to see the reaction to your earnings, which was a beat on the bottom line, and I think almost got to profitability.
So, listen, we were up as a company, 34%. We had 194 million in sales. If you come back, we're number 1 in market share in the Canadian market. We're the largest in Europe in cannabis. But step back and look at the growth. And I heard you're, talking about Paris for non-alc with ABI before. We're in the midst of doing that. So there's a lot of great things happening within our legacy beer business, where our legacy beer business was up 10% and, the beer category was down. So a lot of good things happening at Tilray. I guess some of our shareholders didn't think so. But I come back and say this here, there's a lot of unique things happening within Tilray Brands. In the cannabis world, which, we have in front of us, rescheduling potentially, which would be very helpful to Tilray and bringing in, different investor group, banking, et cetera.
Exactly.
And, we've only owned the ABI businesses 2 months, and we got some exciting new products happening there. And
there isn't anything more we want to get from that. But let me see how the sentiment has changed. The last 30 days, we've seen 50. Let's go back 90 days. There was 52% positive, 52% positive 30 days. Now we've got 70% positive, and today 50-50. No negative though. Can you see the negative has gone away? Over the last 30 days, negativity has gone away, and now we're all positive and neutral news. So we have got, as expected, people are taking profits. That's no surprise there. But this could easily start to go again. We've seen this happen before, that it pops up, but 8% really wasn't much for this stock. We've seen it do far, far better than this. So maybe now is the time, at least because it is undervalued. You may have missed an 8%, but now it's just dropped 6%. Actually, this might be a good time to buy it because we've seen it before. It could go up 30% and pull back. But of course, one day, we are going to get legalization. My argument with this stock has always been, why park your money for a year or two when you can make the gains and then come back just before we get that legalization? Of course, timing is important for that. But so far, we had an 8.5%, 9% pop. It's now just back down to the 6.8. Maybe now's a good time. Let's see what happens. Anyway, there we go. I thought I would bring that to you. Thank you, MSK, for bringing that to me. This was MSK who brought me this information. Thank you, MSK. Tilray up to date. Apparently, Kamala Harris called for the DEA to reschedule. Let me see if I've got any more comments. And MSK said, I sent the news on Discord. I've just shared that with you, so that's great. Our investors, Mike, Craig, let's go. They're all loving it. The Green Gang, yes, they're all loving it. They've been waiting for this. So really, really good news. A green day for Tilray. Indeed, it is. Fantastic. I'm just going down the list here. James 007, people say money does not grow on trees, but it does for Tilray. Looks good, says Mike. Mike is loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it like that. Okay, so there's the news. Leave me your thoughts below in the comments. I will reply to you. We'll keep on top of this. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Now, down here, you will also see the extra channel. We run nearly 24 hours a day now. So if we have breaking news, myself, Sensei can jump in, update you in the live chat. You can share live information because remember, the stock market moves 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it starts early Sunday evening. There are moments like this you don't want to miss. And with our channel, you get those. We have a whole network of channels now, 3 to make up our network. Martyn Lucas Investor, Martyn Lucas Investor Extra, and Martyn Lucas Music, all together in the brand to give you all the information that you need. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. As predicted, people taking profits from this very quickly because they've been beat up for a while, but it won't take much for this to go up again. Just be careful. We've seen it several times. However, when the news finally comes that scheduling has been approved, then boom, you've potentially got a $40 stock. The valuation now is done prior to that, and we're undervalued at that itself. There you go. Up here, down here, over here, more information and more links. Thank you for bringing that to me, MSK. After all, it's the stock that you're in, so I want to see you make lots of money. Full disclosure, I'm not in the stock. I only own the S&P. Not here to pump and dump, but I am here to inform and educate and entertain my members. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Great news. I'm really pleased for everybody that's finally happened, giving everyone a chance to at least make some money, at least anyway. Let me clear that off the screen. All right. Thanks a lot for that. Now then, I just saw we did have 2 new members today. Oh, sorry, I beg your pardon. Well, we did have a new member, but that wasn't what I was going to say. We have 2 new reviews to do. I can see this weekend I'm going to be working overtime for these reviews again. I'm going to be setting up the new studio with the 24-hour stream. I'm also going to be recording some of these reviews for you. So I will get to it. So what did I have? Yardstick. Yardstick said Velo 3D, VLD. Let me write it down. Let me put it on the list in order. It's 1 cent behind JD, Jason Davis. So it is VLD and VLD, and that is Velo 3D. That's for Yardstick. Thank you very much for your request there. Okay. Write that down. And just underneath that is VLD review as well. Oh, blimey. Oh, it's the same one. Well, that makes my life easier. That makes my life a lot easier. That really does. Vincent Vosberg. Wow, that's very kind of you. How amazing is that? We got 2 people want the same one, and I actually think there's a couple of you who wanted that in the free list. So you are very lucky because let me just have a look down the free list. VLD, I'm sure I've seen that. Let me have a look. VLD. Let's see. Fubo, Coke, Fubo. Oh, Fubo TV. Todd Fletcher. I've just done that one. Todd Fletcher. There we go. Let me cut that one. That one's been done. And I can... the short list is getting shorter. Hang on a minute. That's been done. VLD. So is Coca-Cola as well. Let me see. Where was that? This is good. When you get them done, Jenny... Is Jenny here? Coca-Cola, I did that for you. The short list is getting down as well. Brilliant. I just realised. See, some people super chat for them to get them done immediately, and then many of you gain from that. So VLD. John. VLD. Might not be on the list, but you never know. Blood Eclipse, LAC, Lithium, Delph. No, but I did find the other 2, so that's okay. So do we have Jenny, Todd Fletcher, Jonathan Santos, Ahmed, Mohammed, Ranveer Lavosier, John McGilvery, Bill Upperkirsch, Takash Charles, and Michelle in the chat? Any of you? Good evening, Lucas Aids. Let's go down the list here. Hope Stephen is okay. Stephen Lewandowski, are you talking about? We've not heard from Stephen for ages. Yes. Is that what you're talking about? The oil man, yes. Excuse me. Yes, I know. There's no way to get hold of him. There's no way to get hold of him. It's awful, isn't it? I hope Stephen Lewandowski is keeping well too. Yes. Is there any important news to report? Because I have to go. We've just covered it. Raman, we've just covered Tilray. It'll be out on a video later, or you might like to rewind it. Fisker, as we said today, is going sideways. Until we get the good news, it's not doing anything at all. There's nothing to report there. It's just going sideways. The big news this afternoon is Tilray, and it's going again. There you go. There was your opportunity. There was your opportunity. People are buying again. Like I said, there's a bit of a pullback, and it's going again. I think this could go up 30%. I wonder who's buying this. As soon as I put this video out, it's going to go up. In the after hours, when this video goes out, it's going to go up. I should end the show, really, for the benefit of my investors to get this out, because it will go up when my video comes out. I'm sure of that. Martin, I can start collecting partial SSI, Social Security, in 10 years. I am looking to supplement that with the S&P. I'm going to buy selectively. P.S. I am also worried about Stephen. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I have Stephen Lewandowski's number. Let me have a look a minute. Lewandowski. I don't think I do. I'm sure I don't. He was Stephen. Yeah. Well, now this is how we felt. This is how we felt about you, Eric, when we couldn't get hold of you for ages. It's horrible when we miss people like this. Stephen. Lou, no. Stephen. No, I don't have that. I'm trying to think how else I can get hold of him. There goes Tilray. You can see it. Let me look on Discord. Stephen. Stephen Lewandowski. Here we go. Stephen. That was the 1st of May. When did he last speak? He last, Stephen. December the 22nd. Direct message. Stephen. Aha, hang on. I'm just seeing if I have got his phone number. There you go. Let me just borrow the phone. Hang on, I've got a phone number for him. Okay, look at that, guys. Exactly what I said. Look, it trimmed off, and now it's going back up again. So there we go. Stephen, here we go. I've got his phone number. Stephen, hi. This is Martyn Lucas. So you won't recognise this number, of course. It's Leah's. But can you call me back? All the Lucas aides on the show are really concerned about you. Not seen you for a while. I hope you're okay. Give me a text, a call, or something, and let me know you're okay. All right. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Bye. Okay. There you go. Let me also text him as well. Oh, hang on. Okay, so that's done. Hopefully we'll hear from him, but we're obviously very concerned about that. Let's read all these comments a minute I may have missed. Where are we? What happened to Gove today? Gee, I don't know, Valentine C. Maybe someone in the chat could help with that for a moment. I think that was the guy who lived in Kissimmee. That's correct. Yeah, next door to me. Divergent. Yeah, go around his house. I wonder if FSR filled their 10K. If they have, I would know about it because I'm looking at their reports. Let me do it again now and update it. Let's have a look. If they have, it will be here. Newsroom. Bear with me. No news. So no, they haven't. If they had, it would be on their website, on their what do you call it? Website. What have I missed? The company that was in the screen. I'm just arriving. Tilray Brands. We've got some big news. I'll put the video out straight at the end of this video about Kamala Harris asking for the full legalization to get put through, to get the scheduling changed, and that's a 10x potentially for the stock. So that's why the stock has popped. And there's just been a bit of profit taking, as there always is with this stock, but and that's perfectly understandable because people have been losing money for ages. But yes, there's a big opportunity there now, and I'll explain it all at the end of this video when it goes out. I don't see it yet, Lance. Good afternoon, Martin. Thanks, Martin, for calling to check. Yes, indeed. Oh, that was very nice of you, Martin. My pleasure. Hopefully we'll get to hear from him. I bought 5,000 shares of Tilray. End of the video and upload the Tilray edit, please. I bought 5,000 shares of Tilray. End the video and upload the Tilray edit, please, my good sir. I'm sure it'll do well because we do rank for that. Good old Stephen. Yes, I had a bad spell also. Thank you, Martin. The reach out is like a lifeline. That's very nice. Well, that's what we hope anyway. He was part of the Green Gang. He was, Mike. Indeed. Yes. So, back to Tilray just for a moment. It's trying to break up again. This is very, very nice indeed. Going into a Friday. Very nice, good timing as well. So we'll see what happens there. So what we'll do is, because it is big news, and I know a lot of you invest in this, and I know that we rank for this. So what I'm going to do is we'll end the show right on the button to get this out, unless everyone votes for me to do it straight away. If I get a lot of super chats, end it now, put the video out now before the bell goes. Then I'll end it now. But we've only got 20 minutes to go, so we'll get it done. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is so on the bell. Then we'll end very quickly on the bell. I'm going to send you back to behind the scenes just for a minute, just to extras, just for a moment. Let me just customize it now. get everyone back there, because from there we're going to go to the music concert. Okay, that's where we're going to go tonight. Should be a really good one tonight. I'm expecting our biggest audience. We're growing every week, which is really, really nice. So at the end of the show, we will go to the concert. And as I said, I do expect a busy night tonight. I think it's going to be our best one. Don't know why I say that. I just feel it is. Right. Okay. So here is the link to the 24-hour stream. You can be in there chatting about Tilray, because the moment I finish the show, I will edit it. I will get it put up and it will do well. I'm sure of it. Absolutely sure as eggs is eggs. There is the 24-hour stream. That will take you to there. Be in there, chat away, all the rest of it. I will do the Tilray video. I thought Fisco is moving. Fisco is moving as well in the after hours. Oh, yeah, it's going quickly. Fisco is moving quickly. Are we going to get another pop? Let's have a little bit of a price action. We see the stock moving a little bit. 16%, 17%. It is moving quickly. Rubbish, said Jeffrey Diamond. So then what I'll do is, if you're all in the 24-hour chat, I will put out for you what is it we'll put out? Yes, the link to Tilray. If you all join in the Tilray, it will do really well. Or watch it. If you are a Tilray investor and you really want to make some money on this, make sure when it premieres, and you'll be in the chat, so I'll give it to you, watch the premiere, share it out, and we'll still be in the after hours, and it'll do well. And then 45 minutes later, we'll be into the concert, and then we can be in there and celebrate. And hopefully, a lot of you will make some money, which would be absolutely great. FSI, yeah, we did get a bit of movement there. There still is no filing. If it's going to happen, it'll probably come in the after hours now. Just bought 500,000 shares. Just bought. Someone just bought 500,000 shares. No, not that I know of, mate. Martin Young. Nice to see Martin. We've not seen Martin for a while. How are you? From Pakistan, SJ4000. Welcome to you. Do we have a member from Pakistan? I think we do, don't we? I think I asked you the other day. Pakistan. Let me have a look. We've got members from... These are our members. If you would like to be a member of our channel, let me just get rid of that a minute. And that one as well. We've got members now in 58 countries: Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, Cuba, Brazil, Afghanistan, Libya and Sweden. We do not have anyone from Pakistan. We would love to fly the flag for Pakistan. That would be absolutely wonderful if you could. Become a member. All right. Super like it. Super like it, says Vincent Vosberg. I will, at the moment the bell goes, I will get it done. When it is the 10K filing from FSR is going to be released. We don't know. All we know is we are checking it and the stock is moving. Let me look on their website again. Let me have a look on their website again in their news section, which is where it will be for the investors. Back over to the newsroom, press release, March 14. No, nothing today. Fisco, that's March 14th. Fisco, recent reporting about, hang on a minute. Okay, there is an official statement here. There is an official statement. This is not the filing we are looking for. However, let me get rid of that in the moment. So Fisker, what's the time? So 40 minutes. So I'm going to have to end this show really quickly on the bell and put this out. So FSR statement. FSR statement. Okay, state. Okay. Can't even spell statement, but don't worry about that. Is it really that important? Yes, it is important. Don't know why I said that. Just got me like double voice now. 41 minutes. Now you're all thinking he's gone mad. Probably have gone mad. Anyway, all this Fisker nonsense. All right, let's have a look. FSR, I stand with, sorry, Martin Young, I got confused with someone else. Oops. Sensei Crypto, I want to have a chat with you, mate. It's all good, by the way. I want to talk to you when you get 5 minutes. Have you sorted your mute button, Sensei? Yeah, I bet he has. And yes, I was watching. I bet he has, just like when I didn't press the button, though, to go live. Yeah, I tell you what, you learn from these things more than anything. I like when he goes full stop. Hang on a minute. Martin Young. Shots fired. All right. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Tilray. It's trying to go again. FSR. Right. Okay. Fisker. Official statement. We have something for you. Are you ready? This is not the filing we're looking for. That's going to come, I believe, after hours. It's just 15 minutes at the recording of this video before the bell. But we do have an official statement from Fisker. This is where some information earlier on today was pulled from, but this is the actual official statement. We do like to bring the actual statements. They are a lot more useful. So tap the like button if you like this message and you approve the video. I approve this message. We're coming up to election time, right? Martyn Lucas for president, yeah, and prime minister, yeah, at the same time. Absolutely right. I'll be the first person to be both prime minister of America, of England, and president of the United States at the same time. It's never been done before. Why not? Let's do it. Okay, here we go. This is the latest official statement from Fisker themselves. Fisker issues statement on recent reporting about the company. Let's have a little look here. Fisker, driven by a mission to create the world's most emotional and sustainable electric vehicles, has issued the following statement regarding reported speculation that the company is preparing for bankruptcy filing. Okay, as a matter of company policy, Fisker does not comment on market rumors and speculation. Market rumors. It's important that because it was insiders who reported it to Wall Street Journal that it actually was potentially going bankrupt. However, Fisker often works with outside advisors to help manage its business and assist in developing and executing strategies. Fisker is focused on raising additional capital and engaging in strategic partnership with a large automaker. The company is also continuing to pursue its shift to a dealer partnership model in both North America and Europe. The leadership team is laser focused on these efforts. That's it. Nothing more to add right now, but that is the official statement where the rumors have come from. So draw from that what you will. It doesn't really tell us a great deal, if we're completely honest, but that's what we have. That is just out. I'm watching it all the time. There isn't anything else. Just keeping my eye on it. We are expecting a filing after hours, which will give us the actual strength of the company, where we're actually going and what the numbers actually are and what's likely to happen on Monday. And if we get it after hours, you can bet we'll report on it. Make sure that you are following the extra channel. Click above my head. Down here, you'll find the extra channel. We've got 3 channels now in the network. Make sure you subscribe to all of them. Otherwise, you'll miss everything to do with what's going on here with Fisker. As we talk about it, it is going up. There could be some action in the after hours. It could go either way. We do find that this sort of rumor and, well, this news comes out, the stock gets a bit excited. People start to buy. They dump it again. They're using it as an opportunity. But That statement is from yesterday, says Sensei Crypto. That may well be the case, Sensei, but that wasn't on their website until recently. I've been watching it and refreshing it all day. So that may have been available elsewhere, but that's what they just put publicly on their website. So I thought it was worth bringing it to you. I know that you got that information last night, but this is the first time it's actually been on their website. So I just want to bring that to you. All right, above my head, down below, make sure you follow the extra channel. We're having a party tonight in the music studio. We're going to celebrate the money we've lost and commiserate what we've lost. Overall, we've had a great week. Join us for the music concert tonight. I'll put it over here and other things that you might find useful. I've got to go really quick. We've got a lot of breaking news here on the bell. Tilray just got some mega news, which we're excited about. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, FSR, I'm holding. Sensei Crypto, just waiting for my portfolio to go green and I'll become a member. That's wonderful. Welcome to the channel. Glad you stuck around. Excellent stuff indeed. Trey says, I now know what you're talking about. When your mic was muted, I had joked about unsubbing. Now I remember. Was absolutely a joke. That was at Sensei last night. Yes, I did see it because we were actually in our shelter because of the tornado, and we did still have we didn't have Wi-Fi. We'd lost the signal, but we did have cellular, and I was able to watch in, and I did notice that. But we all make mistakes, including myself. I've made way bigger ones than Sensei's ever made, so don't worry about that. FSR, time to drop the bomb, says Chris's Concert Corner. Time to drop the bomb? All right then. Anyway, let's move on. Let's see what Tilray is doing. We just reported on that. Yes, as predicted, going again. Look at that. Exactly as I said. I said when we reported the news, it would pop up on the news as I recorded it. It will go out literally the moment I finish. I'll edit it, and within 10 minutes, it will be up. I'll be really, really quick on it. It popped up. Then, of course, I said people will take profits right there, and they did. And I said it will go again, and I think it will. We've seen this before. It can go up 30% on this sort of news. Then you might want to take your profits, because if it doesn't come off, then it goes straight back down again. This has happened several times. I only wish I could put that video out now. There's no way for me to actually, grab the file. I could edit it while I was recording it, but until I end the broadcast, the file doesn't close out. It's still writing the file as I'm recording this. So there's nothing I can do at the moment, I'm afraid. Anyway, I keep checking the latest information from Fisker. Latest information coming in on the channel. That's all good. Just checking that. General chit chat. Okay. Welcome all. Okay, we got all that. That's all good. Okay, that's fine. Where are we now? Okay, 10 minutes to go. We are going to shut out the shop very, very quickly so we can. It's going again. Tilray Brands, let's look at the volume right now on it. Tilray Brands is moving. What's the volume right now? Let's have a quick look. The volume on it now is 18 million. Average volume is 14 million. So the volume is up today. That's no surprise. And it's going again. I hope you all bought this. I wish I could get this video out. I want everyone to buy it here. It's still a value here. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get a little look. Famous saying. Let's take a little look. Let's take a little look. We'll end it. MSK needs a win. End the show. If I get I tell you what, if I get 5 super chats, I'll end early. How about that? I'll end early just to get this out, because it needs to go out before the after hours closes. But it will. But I want to get it out as quickly as possible so we can see everyone buy it. If I get 5 super chats, I'll end early. How about that? All right. Okay, I'll do that. I'll leave it up to you. Let's have a look. FSR, stock space. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm looking at that. report. Have we got the filing yet? No. I keep refreshing it. No. Okay. I bought the crap out of it. I like that, Vincent. Very good. If FSR goes up into the dollar, never mind getting a studio chair. All right, there we go. One super chat. If I get 5, I'll end the show. On the 5th one, I'll end and put the video out straight away. There's one. I want it out. Promote it. 173, 53% undervaluation. Good news coming out. It's only just landed like half an hour ago. MSK brought it to us as it landed. It's going up again. I think it's going to break the $2. The moment the video goes out, I think it will go up to, in the after hours, we could see it going over $2. Vincent Vosberg, the DEA better give us the positive news soon. It's happened before where it pops like this and falls away when they show delays. But it's a good call. Kamala Harris is calling for immediate action. You know, it doesn't mean anything, of course, but potentially it does. But the point is, it doesn't matter whether it means something or not. What does mean something is other investors think it means something, so it means it's going up. That's what it means. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Glad that was the bottom. So there you go. Let's have a little look. Let's just go sideways for a minute for 3 months. Let's have a look. Year to date, yeah, we've seen it around the 160. Yeah, 160. This does seem the bottom. Yeah, it does seem. Look, wherever you go back, look, 160. Yeah, looks about right. Anyway, let's have a look. We all know that she will do to get to the top. What she will do to get to the top. All right, okay, fair enough. Back to Fisker. Is that moving? It's just trimming off a little bit. The old market is down today anyway. Virgin Galactic has been going sideways. Palantir is going down. Gold is going down. S&P is going down. Amazon is going down. Apple is trying to go up, but it's still down today. Next year energy, $60 now. $60. Very nice indeed. Enphase, 107. We were at like 130 just a week or so ago. Really giving up. Vincent Vosberg. Weed. One word, weed. J&J is down. Chevron is down but trying to push up. Tesla is going up. Rivian is up today 3% but just pulling back. McDonald's is going down. McDonald's is having problems. People are not going there as much. They're saying it's too expensive. It used to be the poor man's meal. I know, because that's where I go, but not always, but once a week anyway. But people are saying, no, it's too expensive. Microsoft, it's down but trying to push up. Nvidia has had an up and down day, going down now after hours. As we approach the after hours, Walmart going down, Tilray still going up and going again and going again. Let's see if it can break the 174. 174, come on, let's set a new one. Let's set a new level, 174. Palantir dropping just days after Cathy Wood bought a ton of shares in it. My ARC is sinking. Let's have a look at Palantir. Yes, indeed. That's going down as well. Yes. In it to win it. All right. Tilray Brands is going up. FSR, green candles. With the 4 green candles. There's the green candles. FSR. Let's have a look. Sebri, nice to see another psycho. Was that Physionaut? Are you in PSIL and ENVB, weed and mushrooms? Show me the money. He says. All right, show you the money. Tilray, we've just put information out of it. And at the moment the video ends in 4.5 minutes, I will edit it, put it out, and I guarantee the video will go nuts, and I guarantee will be over $2. How can I guarantee that? I just know what happens when we see this news. That's all. It's happened so many times. It's virtually guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed, of course, but I've seen it every time. But the video's got to get out. The word's got to get out. Everyone's got to promote this and talk about it. Vincent Vosberg, last-ditch effort to pump our popularity for Biden admin. MSK's from England, by the way, so everyone knows he can't vote. Fisker is moving again. It's trying to go up again, 17.81 now. What else have we got? What else is moving? What about our crypto at the minute? Let's have a quick look at the crypto bubbles this afternoon. We've got a nice audience on Rumble this afternoon. Welcome to all my Rumblers. Thank you very much indeed. I wish I could bring you good news, but I can't, I'm afraid. I just won the Small Creator of the Year award on Rumble. Told I'm going to get $500 prize. Still haven't been paid for 3 months now, so just thought I'd let you know. Still not been paid for 3 months. So I don't know if I'll ever get the $500, but there you go. I'm on Rumble. I've won. I've earned money, but never get paid. And if anyone's wondering, I have put in my PayPal account. They just don't pay me. And when I asked them to pay me, they say you get paid at the end of the month. And they've been saying that now for 3 months. But there you go. Whatever. Thank God YouTube don't work like that. Otherwise, I'd be bankrupt, wouldn't I? I'd have no money. Anyway. Fun, having a good day. Dustin Turner, great stuff. Trey K, CMPS, got in at 808. Let's go back to Tilray. What's Tilray doing now? At 174. If it gets one, we want to see it break 174 now. That's what we're looking for. Let's have a look at it. 173. We've got 2 minutes ago, heavy volume, FSR, 350 million. Back to FSR again. Tilray, Walmart's going back down now. We've got, let's look at our crypto bubbles. I was just about to share that with you. It's been a bit of a mixed bag today over on the crypto bubbles. Hex is up 32.4%, but we've got others like BSV down 10% today. A lot of red bubbles around today. But Hex is the big winner. Dogecoin is down 4.8. BSV is down 10%. But the big winners today is Hex, HEX, and JUP. Alrighty then, let's have a look at Tilray once again with 2 minutes ago. Going into the bell. We're going to close right on the bell. We're going to get out of here. We are back. So let me give everybody now what we're going to do. We're going to send you all to the 24-hour stream. This is what's going to happen as we end right on the bell. You'll all go here. Let me give you the link. Here is the link to the 24-hour stream. It's called the Extra Channel. Go in there. They are. I'll post it 4 or 5 times. You can see it. Let me pin it to the top. There it is. Pin, pin, pin. Let me just do it. Hang on. Let me pin to the top. Pin, pin, pin. There you go. In 1 minute from now, I'm going to end the show. Click on that. Go straight into there. I'm going to get the video for Tilray Brands out. I will then come back into the stream, tell you it's out. You'll hear me making it. You'll hear me doing it. As it premieres, I'll give you the link, jump in, see it, and 1 hour from now, we'll all celebrate how much money we've got in the music channel, which is also on the homepage of my channel, and I will give you the link for that from the 24-hour chat. Okay, we're going to end right on the bell. I want to get the Tilray video out because I'm really convinced it could go to $2 in the after hours if we get good news out. So are you ready? Are you ready? We're about to close out the show. Let's see if Tilray, we've got 15 seconds to go. We're also waiting for fiscal information as well. TLRY in the after hours. There it goes, a little bit again. And I'm going to ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 173, the bell has now gone. I'm going to end the show. It's going to go up in the after hours, I'm sure. As soon as I get the publicity behind it and people start talking about it on X and StockWits, watch it go. That's what I think is going to happen. Let's see if I'm right. You ready? Okay, I'll see you now on the 24-hour stream. It's running for you right now. Jump on in and I'll keep you updated. I'm going to be as quick as I can getting this out for you. You ready? Okay, I'll see you back in a minute. As always, take care of your money, take care of yourselves, your crypto, and maybe... Did I press the wrong button? No, I didn't. And take care of your Tilray. See you back in a few minutes.